Good morning students, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's class student. In our previous class we have discussed about the electric charge, electric current, and with this we have also discussed about the types of electricity. In all those physical quantities, there is one hidden quantity student, means electric current or electric charge. We have only due to one hidden physical quantity, and that hidden physical quantity is known as potential or electric potential. Like in general language we also use this word potential. You have the potential to do something, you have the potential to get the good marks. Like this, the electric cell or battery have the electric potential from which they can pass the electric current through the conductor, and that electric potential is responsible for the electrical energy student, or we can say electric potential is directly proportional to electric energy or the work, because the energy is the capacity to do work. Means if we don't have the electric potential in a conductor, then we can't have the electric current, we can't have the charges, means there is no motion of the charges student, or we can't get the current electricity. Current electricity is possible only and only due to electric potential student. Like you can get good marks only and only due to your potential. If you have the potential to get the good marks, then you can get. If you don't have, then you can't. So you should have the potential student. Like there are many devices, electrical devices we use. Like in your childhood age, you used some electrical toys. Those all electrical toys work with the help of electric potential. Now, according to the physics, what is electric potential? Electric potential means the work or the energy per unit charge is known as electric potential. Again, I am repeating student. Means the potential energy or the electrical energy per unit charge through a conductor is known as electric potential. And another definition you can also write in this. And in the place of potential energy or the energy, what can you write? You can write the work. The work per unit charge through a conductor is known as electric potential. Now, there is another term is also given in your book student. It is potential difference. Now, what is potential difference? Potential difference means the difference in between 2 points of the conductor. In the case of electric potential is known as potential difference. Like I have drawn one diagram here. In this there is a electric cell I have drawn here. In this is indicating the positive terminal and this is indicating the negative terminal of electric cell. It is the electric cell student. Now in this, at the side of positive, I have written VA, means it is point A. Here I have written VB at the side of negative terminal, and it is VB. So the difference in between VA and VB, the difference in between VA and VB is known as potential difference. And in the potential difference, the positive side point student have the high potential, and negative terminal side point have the low potential. means there is a difference in between the potential, means the positive side have the high potential and negative side have the low potential, and the difference in between these potential point is known as potential difference. What we call it? It is known as potential difference, student. Now potential difference or electrical potential we measure with the help of one device, student. Like the electric current is measured with the help of one device, and that device is known as ammeter. Like this potential difference or electric potential is measured with the help of voltmeter, student. This device is known as voltmeter, and this device is given name to voltmeter to give the name and fame to a great scientist, great physicist, and the name of that scientist is, student, Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta name is used to give the name to this device, or to give the name of the SI unit of electric potential, student. And what was the name of that scientist? It is Alessandro Volta, student, Alessandro Volta. So now we come on the next. It is the formula. Formula of electric potential is energy upon charges, or work upon charges. It is the formula of electric potential, and this you will learn. This inbox formula you will try to learn. Now you have got which formula, student? Now you have got the fourth formula. This formula you will also learn. Now this electric potential is a scalar quantity. It is not vector, student, because it does not have the sense of direction, because it is based on the potential energy, or it is directly proportional to the energy. That's why it does not have the sense of direction. Means electric potential does not have the sense of direction. That's why it comes in the category of scalar quantity. Now we come on the next. What is it? It's SI unit. In general, the SI unit of the electric potential is, student, what may be? It may be, what is the SI unit of work? It is joule. What is the SI unit of charge? It is coulomb. So it is joule per coulomb. Joule per coulomb is the SI unit. But to give the name and fame to a great scientist, Alessandro Volta, the SI unit of electric potential is written as volt, student. What is the SI unit? It is joule per coulomb or volt. And volt is again indicated, or it is symbolized by capital V. Means it has the similar symbol for electric potential. For the electric potential we use the same symbol, capital V, and for this SI unit we use the same symbol, it is V. Means the electric potential SI unit is volt. Now there is one question is generally asked, what is 1 volt, or define 1 volt. So how will you define it? You can easily define. How? Like this is 1 volt. 1 volt. And what is the unit of this work, student? It is joule. So we will write here 1 joule, and here we write 1 coulomb. So how will you define it? So you will define it with this formula very easily. Means the amount of electric volt, means 1 volt is the amount of electric potential that is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Means 1 joule per 1 coulomb is equal to 1 volt, student. It is the definition of 1 volt, student. Means when we pass the, or when we do the 1 joule work with 1 coulomb of charges is known as 1 volt, or 1 joule per 1 coulomb is known as 1 volt. This simple definition you can write. 1 joule per 1 coulomb is known as 1 volt, and 1 volt is the SI unit of electric potential. So it is about the electric potential, student. Now with the help of this, you can also know the relation in between electric potential and energy, electric potential and charge, like this. V is directly proportional to the energy. Means if the energy will be more, then the electric potential will be more. Or if the electric potential will be more, then the electrical energy will be more. With this electric potential is inversely proportional to the charges. Means if the charges will be less, then the electric potential will be more, because it is inversely proportional. So in this way you can also find the relation or the factors on which the electric potential depends. If the temperature and pressure remains constant in the conductor, what are the temperature and pressure, student? These are the physical conditions. So it is about the electric potential. Now you will try to write and learn this important topic, student, and because this topic is generally asked in your board exam, and many times the numericals related to this come in your exam, student. So in our next segment we will discuss the numericals related to electric current, electric charge and electric potential. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.